Hello everyone, I am Dr. Soumya Sarin, working as a consultant pediatrician and neonatologist in Kerala. As we all know, the use of mask is very important in the prevention of COVID-19 infection. Our Indian Medical Association, Central Health Ministry and also World Health Organization have told the use of cloth mask is more than enough for the general public. But the main problem which I came to notice nowadays is that most of the people are using very cheap quality cloth masks, which is not going to give you any safety against COVID-19 infection. So I would like to show you two kinds of cloth masks and compare these two. And I'm going to show you some techniques by which you can only examine whether you are using a good quality mask or not. First, I'm using this mask and just see this. You can almost see me, that means it is almost transparent. You can see this, that the fabric which they have used is very thin. So though I am using this mask, the exhaled air which contains my respiratory secretions, if I am a COVID-19 carrier, it will contain the COVID-19 virus also. So since this is very thin, if I am sneezing or coughing, the exhaled air which contains my respiratory secretions, sometimes with COVID-19 virus, is very likely to go through this mask and infect the people who are standing near to me. Okay, but see this. This mask contains more than 3 layers. Here one layer is there, here one layer is there, and in between also they have layer. So at least make sure you are using a cloth mask which contains at least 3 layers so that it is thick enough to prevent any kind of respiratory secretions to go through this. Okay, so first thing is the fabric thickness. Next thing is the seal of the mask. What do you mean by a seal? I will show you. I am wearing the thin mask. If you are seeing me from the front, you will feel that I am wearing a good quality mask and it is covering almost the needed areas. But you can see here, it's very thin here, it's very loose. That means it is not going to give me a good seal. The seal is that how tightly or how well it is fitting your face and it is giving you a good tight seal. Okay. And just see this mask, the other one. If I am wearing this, here there is a nose pin so that I can press this and make it tight over the nose and also the upper area. Here also it is giving a good tight seal. So what will happen? Though I am sneezing or coughing or laughing, my respiratory secretions or exhaled air is not going to escape much through these two areas. Okay, if you are having a good seal, it is not going to escape through these areas much. But if you are using a mask with very less seal, the air is very likely to escape through these areas and infect the persons who are surrounding you. Okay, so next thing is a seal. Third thing is a lighter test. You can either use a lighter or a matchstick or a candle. First thing, wear the mask. Okay, then light a lighter and blow through this mask. Okay, you can see very well that without much difficulty, I can blow this flame out. Okay, and the flame is dying off. And see what is happening with the other mask. I am doing the same thing. And I am blowing with all my strength. You can see very well that the flame is not dying off. That means the exhaled air is not escaping much through the mask. So these three things. First thing, the fabric quality. Make sure you are wearing a mask with at least 3 layers, good thickness mask. Next thing is a good seal of the mask. Third thing is the lighter test. Okay, so please make sure you are using a good quality mask by doing these 3 techniques. And if possible, you pass on this information to as many as people you can. Okay. I repeat, if you are using a very low quality mask, it is not going to give you any safety against COVID-19 infection. So with this, I am winding up. Thanks a lot.